Hey, what's up, guys? It's Prel here. And before we get started, I just want to let you guys know my schedule of what I post and the things that I post. Feel free to pause it. And with that being said, like, subscribe, and let's get started. Hey, guys. So, Dragonite have a very vast moveset. And we are going to get into that later on. But the reason why I chose these four movesets, Extreme Speed, Fire Punch, Dragon Dance, and Dragon Claw, is because I do believe that it's the best set for OU metagames. The Fire Punch for Scizor and Skarmory, Dragon Claw for the dragons like Salamence and Garchomp, and Dragon Dance to outspeed these Pokemon. Extreme Speed is just for, priority. But to me, I think that these are the best moves for Dragonite in the OU meta. And right now, we're actually going to get into its other movesets. So Dragonite runs a lot of different type of movesets with different type of items. The one I use is Lumberry. You can see also a Lumberry Dragonite with Outrage to stop the confusion. Some Dragonites actually run Bandit too, and you will see them having Earthquake, Outrage, or Dragon Claw, or the Elemental Punches. And you can see some Dragonites running defensive sets with Roost, Wrap, Thunderwave, and have Leftovers as the item. Also have Roost, I forgot to mention. And like I said, Dragonite, it could go all the way. The reason why I'm mentioning these movesets is because these are really the most common movesets that you will see in the OU metagame with Dragonite. But with that being said, let's go to its checks and counters. Now, like all Pokemon, Dragonite have its flaws too. So its ability multi-scale is only good if Dragonite's at full HP. So Stealth Rocks will be really bad for it because it will take 1/4 of its HP. Also, Status will ruin any Pokemon, but if you're running a fast sweeping set, then it being paralyzed or it being burned would cripple it badly. What can OHKO it is strong orb ice moves, like Weavile can outspeed it and hit it with the Icicle Crash or Ice Punch. And also, you see tons of water Pokemon carrying Ice Beam or Blizzard. So Dragonite have to be wary about that because he is 4 times effective to Ice. Next is strong Dragon types attack. Now, Dragonite can take a Dragon Claw from Salamence or a Garchomp, especially with this multi-scale up. However, if these guys are running banded sets and they use Outrage instead of Dragon Claw, it will OHKO Dragonite even with this multi-scale. Nah, I wasn't able to put this on the paper. However, next is strong rock types attack. Like banded sets would really mess up anybody. But Choice Band, Stone Edge from a Tyranitar will OHKO Dragonite, even with this multi-scale. Or Pokemon like a Zoomerol, very type attack moves. Now, keep in mind, this is only if most of the sets are running Choice Band. And it also depends on what type of EVs you run on your Dragonite and what type of EVs your opponent has. Anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys liked this video. Like and subscribe. And with that being said, I have bloopers coming out tomorrow and a Pokemon battle Wednesday. So thank you guys. And I'm out. Bye.